You never guess what? I've had a request for a video. Hurrah! So Lisa, if you're watching this, this is just for you. And thank you so much to Lisa and everybody else who likes, comments and shares my videos with their friends. Today's project for day 18 of Vlogmas is how to turn the pages of an old magazine into a pop-up origami Christmas tree. What I'm going to do is rip the front cover off the magazine and discard it, and rip the back cover off too, and then page by page take the top corner, fold it back down to the spine and crease it, and then take that folded edge down to the spine and crease it, and then you're left over with this little flappy bit at the bottom. So if you line that back up with the bottom of your magazine page, and there you have the first section of your Christmas tree. So turn the page, take the top corner, fold it into the spine, then take that diagonal edge and fold that down into the spine as well. And then the flappy bit at the bottom, tuck that up, and you repeat. So, little heads up here, do you want to watch me fold approximately 193 pages, or skip through to the end of the video to see what the finished work of art looks like? So this would be a really great project, particularly I would say if you've got an old Christmas magazine, because when your tree stands up, you have some Christmassy text or Christmassy colours shining through. But I will say this magazine is from the summertime. You'll notice it as a feature rather than noticing that it's an old summertime magazine. But it's quite a nice way of putting something festive up. You can put it on your tabletop. You could make a whole series of these to go down your dining table. Once you've got the technique down, you could perhaps look through some old paperback books and do the same technique using old paperback books, or perhaps even old notebooks. I don't know what you do with your notebooks. I tend to throw them away when I finish them, but perhaps that might be a way of reusing what you've already got. And instead of binning your notebook, you could make it into a Christmas tree. Old address books, perhaps you've got a diary you don't use anymore. So don't go out specially and buy a magazine. See what you can use at home to make something new out of something that was just old and destined for the recycling bin. So if you have any comments, do leave them underneath the video. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos that you'd like me to make, do leave me a comment about that as well. It really helps my channel grow. I've got over 1,000 subscribers now, but in order for me to monetize my channel, I need to have 4,000 viewing hours, which I don't have. So if you'd like to, why don't you, when you've watched this video, go down to the description box and click on the link for the rest of the videos in this Vlogmas series. You can also flick back and watch my Vlogmas series from 2017, and I also have a Christmas playlist. So hopefully that will keep you busy, and perhaps you might just have me on in the background. You might be wrapping your presents, doing some cooking ahead of time, and I can keep you company in the background. So you can see where that's going. So eventually, when you've done the whole of the magazine, you'll go right the way around, back to the beginning, and then you need to glue this side, the first page, and the back page together. And I normally hold them together when they dry with a couple of clothes pegs.
Number one in Norway as well. So what is it about a sea shanty that appears?
And you just keep going and going and going. So I've got a few more pages to go. And that's probably taken me a good 20 minutes, half an hour. Actually, I've just been playing with this and I don't think I need to add any glue in. Can you spot where the beginning and the end is? It's quite compact there, but that's certainly the middle of the magazine. So the actual join is here. And I think probably I'll just spin that round to the back so you can't see it. So what do you reckon? That's just a really quick and easy DIY. Well, quick, as long as you've got a cup of tea with you. It probably took me 20 minutes, half an hour to fold up. Of course, you just need to put some music on, some of your favourite YouTubers' videos, and away you go. So in the end, I didn't glue it together. And I don't think you can tell where the beginning and where the end is. And actually, as I look at it, looks like quite a good colour match for my Scandi inspired jumper. So that's all for me for now, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.